everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. We're having a great day. It's still raining in BC, so hopefully this week it will clear up. Who knows? Alright, so I have a Patricia Nash unboxing. So I'm looking forward to that. And I had someone ask what bag I was using today for some reason on Instagram. So make sure you follow me at Susan Senior Style because I post pictures every single day. So I'm rocking my Primark Donald Duck bag. It holds quite a bit. I was really surprised. It feels like rubber, which is good because it's raining, and it comes with this little tech thing, or you could use it as a coin or whatever you want to do. It says Disney on it. The strap is pretty good. Went down to the States today, so it worked out really well. And I have my little bag charm with the D for Dapper Dan's. And I got this at the Character Warehouse. So yeah, this is from Primark. It holds quite a bit. And if you want to see what fits, just leave it in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. But yeah, it's a pretty cool bag. It's under $20, so I mean, come on. But it's I don't know what kind of material it is, but it feels kind of like rubber. But yeah, it snaps. It has a pretty good strap on it. I mean, for the money, I think that's great. All right, so that is my bag of the day. So I hope that was helpful. All right, let's go ahead and get into my Patricia Nash, which is right here. Got my blade. All right, let's see what I got. And it's gonna match my English country bag that I have, my little crossbody. And I think these are discontinued because I haven't seen them in any store or online or anything like that. So I did get this from a reputable dealer on eBay. So go ahead and get the bubble wrap off. So she did wrap it up pretty good, which is nice. All right. And if you'd be so kind as subscribe to my channel, because once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm doing a Loungefly giveaway, Disney themed. So definitely do that. All right, well, this is cool. The tags are still on it. It's brand new. All right, it's a compact wallet, which I was trying to find. And this is better than I thought. All right, comes with the tags. And this one, let's see what the exact name is, in case you guys are looking for the same style. English country. And it's a Kennelly coin. So that's the SKU there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Patricia Nash. All right, let's take a look and see. Oh, okay. So it just snaps. All right, and then I guess this is where the coins go. All right, so that's what that looks like. Oh, okay. Well, that's cool. It says Patricia Nash in the engraving. It's kind of hard to see, but you kind of get the idea. And then it has a snap there. So you unsnap it. All right, that's pretty unusual. Then you get the card slots here. So you got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3 on each side. And then you can put stuff in there. Put stuff in there. All right, and then, oh, okay, very cool. And it even has that protection, that RFID for security. So that's what's inside. It says Patricia Nash there. All right, that's cool. And let's see what this other card is. Oh, that's the authenticity card. Gives you the style number, and the color is English country. All right, well, that's very cool. And then it just tells you, thanks for choosing a Patricia Nash handcrafted product. And it just gives you some history there. All right, well, that's better than I thought. This is like brand new with all the tags. And it has that cool, like, coin purse, which is on the top there. Put your coins in there, and away you go. And this should fit any bag, really. It's good. I like this size. Yeah, it's really pretty. It matches my other bag perfectly. And this is oxblood. And then the design is English, what is it? English country. I was getting mixed up because there is one that says light English country, and it has, see how this is kind of blackish? It has more of this color here, like for the background. That's the light one, and this is the regular English country. It's pretty nice. I don't really, this is my first flowery bag. I don't really have flowers all over my bags and stuff, but I mean, how can you beat this one? This is really pretty. And I get lots of compliments on it. So, I mean, yeah, that's great. And then you can put your bills in there, see? So you put your bills in there, you got your coins over here, and then you have your card slots. So that's pretty much all you need. Unless you carry a, you know, like a full-size wallet, but I think those days are over, basically. All right, so that's very cool. So I'm very happy with it. So every time that you order something on eBay and you're super happy about it, I definitely leave feedback, because that does help, you know, the seller when they're selling their other items. So definitely leave feedback, good or bad, you know, they need to know. But yeah, this is really pretty. And this is my first Patricia Nash wallet. And my other bag is my first Patricia Nash bag. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. It's very, very nice, actually. It's nicer than I thought. So if you guys have any Patricia Nash items, let me know. And because I am looking for a wristlet to match this. But I also like that, what's it called? Prairie Tan is also a cool design. So I went to TJ Maxx today, but they had one Patricia Nash bag, but it was in that tan, which is really nice. But it was the tooled one, which I think is pretty popular. So a lady snagged onto that one because at Macy's they're like over $200, and at TJ Maxx I think it was like $130-ish. So I mean, half price, you can't beat that. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye now.